Hey divas, so in today's video I will be sharing with you guys this full face of makeup. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, I am going to start off with the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow base. Is actually their cut crease base. That's why the applicator is like that, so you can't use this for a cut crease. But I'm just using the base today because I wanted to try it out. I've had it for quite a while and I haven't got a chance to try it out, and it does work pretty well, so I would definitely recommend it for like a really affordable eyeshadow base. Now going in with the eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place Warrior palette, and I'm going to take this light color here and I'm going to be setting my brow bone area with that color. I feel like it's very soft and nice to kind of have for your brow bone highlight and just to kind of set that area because I did apply concealer. Now I'm going to go in with this transition color, and it's like a really soft brown color, and I'm just going to go ahead and pack that on and kind of like build it up until I'm satisfied. I'm kind of packing and swiping just like very light because I do want it to be seen, but I also want it to be kind of blended at the same time. So that is what I'm doing here, and I feel like this palette is perfect for like the neutral colors. So next I'm going to go in with this shimmery color. It's like a shimmery white color, and I'm going to pack that all over my lid. This is how I like to pack it on. I like to kind of like swipe it, and sometimes typically I have to go back in and build it up, but because Juvia's Place eyeshadows are so pigmented, I don't even have to build it up. So I'm just kind of swiping it just to get it all over my lid and taking it a little bit above my lid so that the eyeshadow is actually seen. Now I'm going to go to the Magic Mini palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to take this little red color here, and I'm going to place that where I stopped. So I kind of stopped like almost to the outer V of my eye area, and I'm just going to kind of blend that together, and I'm not going to take it all the way to the outer V. I'm just going to take it like right there, so it's going to be a transition from like the lid color to the outer V. I just thought this would be very, very pretty and like very fall friendly. And this one I am going to build up a little bit because I did want it to be a little bit darker but not too much, so I'm just like blending and adding. I only did that about I think 2 or 3 times, so yeah, but that's what I'm doing here. Now I'm gonna go back to the Warrior palette, and I'm going to take that dark brown that is in there, which is so gorgeous. I'm going to take that and I'm going to place that onto my outer V, and I'm going to pack it and slightly blend it because I did want it to be as dark as it could be because this is such a beautiful shade and I felt like it went so perfect with the look. So that is just what I'm doing here, just packing it and blending it. And you guys, like, how perfect, like, I feel like this is just like so perfect for fall. Like, I don't know, you guys could let me know, but I feel like these are like the perfect fall colors. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of that transitional color that I took before, and I'm just going to blend it out and kind of soften up the edges a little bit. Not too much because I want everything to be like very packed and pigmented. So now I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner in black, and I'm just going to line my upper lash line, and I'm not doing a wing or anything. I don't really do wings. You can do it. It would definitely look pretty with this look, but I wear dramatic eyelashes, so I feel like it doesn't really matter if I do that or not. So these lashes are so gorgeous. I definitely recommend you guys try them out. But now we're going to move on to skin, and I'm going to use this skincare product by Urori. It's actually a makeup lotion, I believe, or a face lotion. I can't remember, but I absolutely love using it as a base. It feels like something, I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like aloe vera gel, so it gives the foundation something to cling to as well as it's caring for your skin. It feels really, really soft and very moisturizing. It is not too oily for me because I'm oily in the T-zone area, so I really love it. So now I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place foundation, and this one is in the shade Tanzania, and I'm just going to apply that. This brush that I'm using is actually from Claire's. I got it like 5 years ago. It's actually like it's like a angled, I think it's called like an angled foundation brush, but I absolutely love this brush. So that's where I got it from. I don't know if it's still available. I've been trying to go back and purchase more, but I haven't seen them in stores. So yeah, that's the brush that I'm using. But yeah, I'm just going in and blending out my foundation with this, and I absolutely love this foundation. It's so full coverage and it's just so very nice. Like, this is perfect when you want to look like flawless, okay? And this is a different shade than I had in my review video, and I just found that this one matches me and my chest a lot better. So that's why I changed the shade. But however, the other ones that I use, they're good mixed. But if I just want to use one shade, this Tanzania shade is just absolutely perfect for me. Now I'm going to go in with the concealer, and I believe this is the number 12. Yeah, so this is the number 12 concealer by Juvia's Place. And of course I'm going to go in and highlight in all the areas that I would like to highlight. Now this is going to depend for you, like what you want to bring forward and everything. I know you see a lot of tutorials and you think maybe you're supposed to highlight in the areas where the person in the tutorial is, but it's just based off of what you want to bring like forward and what you want to like kind of lift up. So now I'm going to go in with this contouring concealer, and this one is by Juvia's Place as well, and I believe this is in the number 4 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think it's number 4. So yeah, same with the contour, like it just depends on you. I don't really need to contour on my forehead because my hairline comes down far enough, but I don't know, like I just like to do it because I like the effect that it gives still. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go in and blend all of that out. Okay, so now I'm going to set all my face, or my highlighted areas, my face. So I'm going to use the setting powder by Juvia's Place. This one is in Gobi. I never got to review the powders on my channel, so I'll give you guys a quick little review on that. I really love them. They're very, very soft, and I love the shade selections that she have. And they just look very flawless, and they don't make your makeup look cakey, and it does not give me flashbacks. So I really, really do like it. So, yeah, that's my quick little review because I've been really loving it. I've been using it for a while now. But anyways, I'm going to go to her blush palette, and I'm going to take Abby. I love this to set my contour. I know it's a blush, but I love to set it, set my contour, excuse me. It kind of reminds me of Film Noir by MAC, which is my absolute favorite powder to set my contour with. So I was like, ooh, I have something that's more affordable. But anyways, I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I know my contour is harsh. That's just the way I like it. So now I'm going to go in with the Beauty Bakery setting spray, and I'm going to set all over my face. And then I am going to go back into the Warrior palette, and I'm going to be using this shade up here. And I'm actually going to use that for a highlight shade. I feel like it is absolutely gorgeous, and I felt like it looked like it went very perfect with this look, so that's why I used it. And now I'm going back to the Magic Mini palette, and I'm going to use this eyeshadow for a blush to complement that color on my eyes, as they are the same, so I felt like it would complement it well. Now I'm going to go in with Juvia's Place liquid lipstick, and this one is in Afrique, and I feel like this is the perfect red lip for any time, but I just really, really love it. Like, I felt like this was going to bring my first fall look together, like, just very well. Like, I just absolutely love it. And I wanted to go with a bold lip because honestly I was gonna put it with a nude lip, but then I was like, no, I always do a nude lip. So yeah, and I absolutely love this lipstick. I could not wait to wear it again. So yeah. So now I'm going to go in and line my eyes. I don't know why I didn't show it to you guys, but it's a small Urban Decay eyeliner. I don't know which one it is, but anyways, just use your favorite black eyeliner. I'm not too sure why I didn't show it here, but yeah, this part is really tough for me because my water lines are sensitive. So anyways, going back to the Magic Millie palette, I'm going to take this color again and I'm going to place that on my lower lash line. I felt like it would just add a little bit of intensity to the look, but honestly, it really didn't. And yeah, there's my waterline being sensitive. So yeah, that is pretty much the final look, divas. I hope that you guys have enjoyed, and of course I will do my outro. Hey divas, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed this look and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then definitely give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this look. Let me know if you have any requests for any other looks or any other makeup products, and I'll try my best to get that out to you. And yeah, I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this look. I thought that it was a very simple look to do, and I feel like it's very, very perfect for really all year round. But I don't know, I was feeling this for fall, and yeah, I absolutely love this lippy by Juvia's Place. Like, it's just so freaking bomb. All the products by Juvia's Place is bomb in my personal opinion. So yeah, like the complexion products, the eyeshadow especially, is just amazing. So yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. But yeah, make sure you guys be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.